Question 4C from the 2025 AP Calculus exam says, find g of 12 and g of 0. Label your answers. Well, g of 12 is going to be the function g, defined as the integral from 6 to x, which in this case will be 12, of f of t dt. Now, we have a graph of f given here, so the integral of f will just be area under the curve. From the limits of integration 6 to 12, we can see that that is going to be this region here, which is a triangle. Thus, this area is going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 3. Now, this is numerical. You could stop here in order to earn the point, or you can go ahead and do some simplification, but watch out. You better be sure if you go ahead and do that. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Now we can go ahead and evaluate g of 0, which again is going to be the integral from 6 to 0 of f of t dt. Now notice that our bounds, or limits of integration, are flipped. Usually we have the lower value first, 0 to 6 of f of t dt. Now in order to go ahead and switch our limits of integration, we're going to use a property which makes our integral negative, and now we can evaluate the area from 0 to 6, which is going to be this region, the area underneath this semicircle. The area of a semicircle is 1/2 pi r squared, and so our radius for this is 3. So we need 1/2 pi times the radius squared, which is 3, and then do not forget your negative in the front. Negative. So it looks like, again, this is numerical. You could leave your answer here and earn the point. However, our final answer is going to be negative 9/2 pi, or negative 4.5 pi if you're more of a decimal person. But that is 4C. Did you get it?